And now that I'm finished, of course, I'm gonna have to put some cuticle oils between them toes because look how dry they are. Okay, they're so dry. But yeah, let's put some cuticle oil to make these babies look even more better than what they are right now. And there you go, final results. I hope you guys like, share, and comment down below on what I should do next in this video. And see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.